નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Welcome students to second part of 15th chapter Light of 7th Science. In the last part, we discussed about the beam of a light, and then after we discussed an activity through in which we discussed that to see the light of the candle through a straight pipe as well as through the bent pipe, and from that activity we come to know that light travels along a straight line. Light travels along a straight line. Then after we discussed about the reflection of objects in the water on the shining surface, isn't it? And we discussed that, see, this is for your knowledge. Light is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy. What is the next? Which enables us to see objects. Any polished or shiny surface can act as a mirror. Any polished or shiny surface can act as a mirror when a ray of light from a light source, say torch, from a light source falls on a surface, on that polished surface. When light from a light source falls on a surface, it bounces back. That light bounces back. This process is known as reflection of light. This process is known as reflection of light. That's what we come to know. Now, open page number 175. 175, on which there is activity 1. On which there is activity 1 is there. And what is the aim of this activity? The aim of this activity is to show the reflection of light by a plane mirror. So in this activity we will use a plane mirror, and the aim of the activity is to show the reflection of light by the plane mirror. So first of all, let's discuss the procedure from the textbook, and then after we will go for this observation and the conclusion. So look into your textbook, open page number 175, and let's go for this app. Take a torch, cover its glass with a chart paper. See, there is a torch. Suppose this is a torch, then if there is a glass, then we have to cover it with a chart paper, which has 3 narrow slits as shown. Now in that chart paper, where the chart paper over here, in which there should be 3 narrow slits. 3 narrow slits should be there. Now you can see it in the figure 15.5. Spread a sheet of chart paper on a smooth wooden board. So see, first of all we have to spread a chart paper sheet on the smooth wooden board, as well as we have to cover the glass of the torch with the that chart paper, in which there should be 3 thin slits should be there, like that. Then fix a plane mirror strip vertically on the chart paper. Now direct the beam of light on the mirror from the torch with slits. See, first of all, what we have to do, see, suppose, let me show you the mirror. Suppose this is a mirror. Let me draw that. Suppose this is a mirror. Then Suppose, okay, this is too much, but somewhere over here, okay, so this is a mirror. We have to take a mirror, then we have to keep a torch somewhere over here. Suppose this is a torch, glass of the torch, and on which there is a three slits wala that chart paper, है ना? So suppose these are the three thin slits, है ना? Now what to do? Now direct the beam of light on the mirror from the torch with slits. So we have to direct the light on the mirror. Suppose, see, this is 1, 2, and this is 3. So this is the beam. See, 3 slits are there. That is why you will find 3 beams are there. And we have to direct it to the mirror, isn't it? Now, place the torch in such a way that its light is seen along the chart paper on the board. See, now chart paper is there, and we have to go for in such a way. Actually, see, it should be come up to this part only in such a way that the light is seen along the chart paper on the board. So light should be seen. Suppose, see, here there is a chart paper also is there, but we should see the light along the chart paper also. Okay. So suppose this light is on the chart paper also and on that also. Now adjust the position so that the light from the torch strikes the plane mirror at an angle. We did it. Now, does the mirror change the direction of light that falls on it? Yeah. What will happen? See, the light falls on it. Now the direction of the light will be in this way, isn't it? Will be in this way. So the mirror changes the direction of the light. Second thing, do you find any change in the direction of reflected light? Okay. Now move the torch slightly. So now if we move the torch from here to somewhere over here, then the direction of this image, the direction of this, see, this is main light, this is reflected light, see, this is a light of torch. This is reflected light. So if we change the position of the torch, then is there any difference or is the change of the reflection light, the place of the reflection light changes with the change of this direction of this torch? Is it happens? Okay. Then look into the mirror around the direction of the reflected light. Do you see slit in the mirror? This is the image of the slit. See, if you see in the mirror, then you will find inside the mirror, somewhere inside the mirror, this three slits. Actually, this is the image. What is this? These 3 slits are the image of an torch. Okay, so this red color wala is the image. Okay, so something like that you will see. Okay, do you see these slits in the mirror? Yeah, it can be seen. This is the image of the slits. These are the image of the slits. Okay, now this activity shows how lights gets reflected from a plane mirror. You can see in your textbook also, so that you can understand more properly. Now, so from this activity, what is the observation? The mirror changes the direction of light falling on it. As the light falls on the mirror, it changes the direction of light in this way. Second, so what is the conclusion? This shows that lights get reflected by a plane mirror. Light get reflected by a plane mirror. Okay, and you can do this at your home. So, and I would like to say, perform this activity at your home so that you can understand this. And in the next part, we will discuss second activity. By this time, we are ending this part and will meet in the next part. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.